Hey, Sid the Science Kid. Today we are going to see a new hockey game at Enterprise Center in St. Louis. It's the St. Louis Blues taking on the New Jersey Devils.
Sid the Science Kid. You wish you could give us strikes here. You better not or you will be grounded.
Okay. I will stop hockey. An Eastern Conference versus Blues. I wish that I can make Blues win.
Okay, Sid. I have your tickets. So the game will begin in a moment. Sid the Science Kid. The game is going to start. The St. Louis Blues and the New Jersey Devils are putting on the jerseys, and also the referees are putting on theirs too. Watch the game.
Face to face each other, so I will drop it.
Tonight again. They're rough and tough and got the stuff to win. They'll always get one more, no matter what the score. They are quite a hockey team, my friend. They never give a single goal away, and they prove they are champions every day. 'Cause when it's said and done, they'll have them on the run. These old St. Louis Blues are here to stay. St. Louis Blues, St. Louis Blues. Have you heard the news about our St. Louis Blues? They only just...
Come on, Devlis. What? No. 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 Blues are going good. Now I'm angry because of this.
Hey. Relax, pal. Chill. Chill. Hey. It's just a game.
Oh no. We're losing to the Devils 4-3. How are the Devils so good?
I agree with you, Sid the Science Kid. The Blues are not doing good. What will we do?
It's now a battle against the player of Blues versus Devils. Get ready to fight.
Oh, that hurts.
We have a winner.
Oh God. Not the Devils 4-3 second period win.
Oh God. I can't control my balance for the game. No.
Nice try. Because you fell down. Hey. You got the hockey puck. Get back here.
What? A fly hockey puck?
What? A fly hockey puck? Let me handle this.
Oh no, you don't, say the Science Kid.
Don't worry that. I got this part.
A goal for the Devils. I think somebody throws the hockey puck back to the rink.
Look. Manager. A kid with a purple hair boy throws the puck back to make New Jersey win. What do we do?
Okay. I get it. This kid is now at his last straw at the game. Don't worry. We will deal to the security guard to ban them forever.
Sid the Science Kid. Look at what you done. You screwed the game by throwing the puck back. Now you made the New Jersey Devils actually win.
Well, look what we got.
Oh no.
So, I saw everything because of you doing good things. And last year, you took the referee's job against the Arizona Coyotes. Come with me. And I don't want to end in trouble. And you three, please come with me. Well. At long last, we had a conversation about this. I was looking forward all around the city to obtain an ice hockey game. Since you came here the last time.
Shut your mouth, officer. I tried to stop my son for doing some strikes here.
Yes. I agree with my son.
There is no need. It's too late. I saw all this. You remember what we said from our last discussion, right?
Yes. I tried to keep an eye on my son so he is well behaved.
Yet whatever they did still happens. And you were too late. Nevertheless, this is now the fourth incident he has caused. Before we get to the charges, I wanted to hear it from your son. So, what is your name?
Sid the Science Kid.
Okay. Sid the Science Kid. What exactly did you do? And why would you do that such a thing?
Okay. Let's begin. I tried to throw the puck with my hockey goalie gloves so I captured it and then throw it back. So Devils will not get scores. So that's the way the Blues win and all the fans will be proud.
Sid the Science Kid. You don't do that. Which is another example of 3 times interfering the players and obstruction of the game. That's why you made the Blues lose to the New Jersey Devils. And I expect you have caused so much trouble here. Now here are your charges. Of $900,000 fine. 12 hours of community service around the town. Every month. And you are banned from the hockey arena forever.
What? Do you mean this?
The charges are butthole trash.
I agree with my brother.
So think about this.
Anyways, forget the charges. I'll have you all arrested. Guys.
Curses, we lost them.
What's all this? They left. Let's head back.
So say the Science Kid. We made it home.
So, what am I?
You are so grounded for 4 million months.
I'm sorry. All I wanted to do is to throw the puck back.
Sid the Science Kid, you don't ever throw the puck back. Now you made the New Jersey Devils win the game. Go to your room now.